we'll discuss the solo mode in this video. Uh, Basically, the solo button works exactly like any other mixing console, that you solo that button and you'll hear that track and it'll go into the solo mode. So again, if I press this, more tracks for soloing. But if I want to just hear one track, I mean, this is again what in solo mode. The whatever tracks we have soloed, the solo mode keeps saves that instance, and when you go back to the regular play mode, which I will use the solo toggle switch, then you hear everything. And when you go back to the solo mode, which is this yellow thing, then again I hear those three tracks which I soloed previously. But if you want to just solo any other one track, you just press option solo and then you'll be able to hear that track. So same thing, only thing is I need to have the auxes. If the track is going through an aux, they should be on solo exempt, otherwise you'll not be able to hear it. So those tracks, all the auxes should be on solo exempt, and then if I pressed option click and I'm able to hear only that track. I'm pressing option click and this solo, so then other solos go away. Another thing is, if you use command and solo, when you press that, that becomes muted and all other tracks go to solo mode.